Are you being annoyed by the CSRSRV Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. I've linked the primary utility for CSRSRV library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the CSRSRV library, the Client and Server Runtime Server Subsystem CSRSS library. This is a critical localized kernel mode component that manages the Win32 subsystems process and thread handling, localized console window management, and shutdown synchronization. Because it resides at the very core of the Windows NT executive layer, any corruption or unauthorized modification of this file will result in an immediate blue screen of death. BSOD, with the error code critical process, died. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Since CSRSRV Library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the CSRSRV library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for CSRSRV Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing CSRSRV library. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for CSRSRV library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.